Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick first impression video of this Foho portable refrigerator. This is the BCD52 liter model. It also comes in 32 and 42 liter. The fridge comes with two different power supply, an AC power supply for the wall plug, and a DC cigarette lighter adapter, which I'm using at the moment. In the box, you get this user manual and this card. I currently have the fridge plugged into a Yeti Gold Zero solar generator, and as you can see, the fridge is currently pulling roughly 40-45 watt hour, and that's roughly 3.5 to 4.5 amp hour. Okay. I do have the fridge inside an insulated case, as you can see. This is the Smittybill 2789-99 transit bag, and as you can see, it is a perfect fit for the Foho fridge. The bag comes with cutouts for the fridge vents. There's one on each side, as well as cutout for the power cable. And as you can see here, there is a 15 amp fuse and a power protection setting, medium, high, and low. This will shut the fridge down if the car battery or whatever battery you're using falls below a certain voltage. On this back side here, you can see a nice large handle. This area is plastic. The handle itself is metal, and it's covered in rubber, so it's very comfortable, very sturdy. On the front side, as you can see, you get the same handle and the control panel. There's 4 buttons, temperature setting up and down. So as you can see, I currently have my fridge set at -4 Fahrenheit. There's a Eco Max LED. Red indicates the fridge is in max mode, and green indicates it's in eco mode. Power indicator, green indicates it's on. Settings, there's 4 settings that you can adjust. Hit it once and it will display temperature in Fahrenheit. Click it twice, will display temperature in Celsius. Click it a 3rd time, will put the fridge in eco mode. As you can see there, the LED turned green, indicating it's in eco mode. And hit it 4 times, HH will put the fridge back on max mode or high mode. Power on off, holding the button down a few seconds will turn the fridge off. As far as the lid, it's a nice big lid. It opens completely. The latch, it's large, so very easy to get to and very secured. As you can see, it's closed. I can lift the fridge and the latch won't open, but when I click the latch, opens very easily. And when you close the latch, you can hear a very positive click. There's no guessing if the the door is closed or not. Okay, the latch to that. Inside the fridge, there are 2 chambers, 1 main chamber and a smaller chamber. The main chamber is where the cooling happens. As you can see, it cools on all 4 sides. The small chamber does not have any cooling. So the small chamber is more appropriate for things like fruit and vegetables that does not need to be as cold. The fridge comes with that organizing basket that is removable, as well as a removable partition. And at the bottom, as you can see, there's molded in areas for containers. Keeps the container from moving around. Okay, I've had the fridge plugged in for roughly 30 minutes. The internal temperature when I plugged it in was about 78. And as you can see, within 30 minutes, it's already at 6, and I've already had the lid open a couple of times. So it cools down very quickly. Okay, here's the look at it again. And if anyone was wondering, I have the fridge inside a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. And this is the long bed. And it is a great fit for this truck. Okay, I hope that helps someone. If you have any questions, let me know.